Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken Exchange account on Android. Fast access step by step clearly. Open your Android device and locate the Kraken app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the Kraken app icon to launch the application. On the welcome screen, look for the login button and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Kraken account. Type in your email address carefully and double check for any typos. Once you've entered your email, tap on the next button. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type in your account password, ensuring that you enter it accurately. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter the verification code. Retrieve the code from your authentication app and input it into the provided field. After entering the verification code, tap on the login button. You may see a loading screen while the app verifies your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Kraken account dashboard. From here, you can access various features such as trading, funding, and account settings. If you encounter any issues during the process, double-check your email and password for accuracy. For added security, consider enabling biometric login options if your device supports it. Now that you're logged in, you can start managing your cryptocurrency on Kraken easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.